In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges in your HP NY inspired 7924E printer. Open the front door and open this door. Ink chamber is here. Now press the ink down and take it out, both black and color. Now take your new ink cartridge, remove the seal, place the black ink cartridge here and slide it in. Once you hear a lock sound, that means it is installed properly. Now press it down and let it go. Also lift this and close it. If you want to check the ink level, scroll down and click on the drop icon. It displays estimated level of ink. So this way we can replace the ink cartridges in this printer. Thanks for watching.